Valentine's Day gift ideas. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a heart-shaped ladder box. I already made mini ladder box. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. If you guys also want to place an order, I will give the order details in description. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed, guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this to my Instagram. Thanks for